What type of sheet is best for using as a projector screen?
Hello, DIY enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic, creating a projector screen using a sheet. We'll explore the type of sheet that gives you the best image quality and the overall viewing experience. Let's get started.
Why use a sheet for a projector screen?
Using a sheet for a projector screen is a cost-effective and flexible option, especially for impromptu movie nights or presentations. The best part? It's portable and easy to set up. But before we dive into the type of sheet to use, let's understand why the material matters.
How does the sheet material affect image quality?
The quality of your projected image largely depends on the sheet's material. A sheet's color, texture, and reflectivity all play critical roles in determining the quality of your viewing experience. A perfect balance of these factors ensures that you get the best out of your projector.
Which type of sheet is best?
So, which type of sheet should you choose? The answer is a white, wrinkle-free, and thick sheet. Here's why. 1. Color. White sheets are the most popular choice because they reflect all colors equally, giving you a balanced, vibrant image. 2. Texture. A wrinkle-free sheet ensures a smooth projection surface. Any wrinkles or folds can distort the image, which is why you should always keep your sheet ironed and taut. 3. Thickness. A thick sheet prevents light from passing through and helps avoid a washed-out image. This is especially important if you're setting up your projector screen in a well-lit room. While store-bought projector screens often use a vinyl material to enhance image quality, a high-quality, thick, and smooth white cotton sheet can provide a comparable viewing experience.
Any other considerations?
Size and mounting are two other important factors. Make sure the sheet is large enough for your projection needs, and that you have a proper setup to mount the sheet securely and keep it stretched. You could use a frame or a temporary setup with clamps or weights. Ensuring a flat and taut surface is crucial for the best image quality. And there you have it. With a white, wrinkle-free, and thick sheet, you can create a fantastic projector screen right at home. Don't forget to consider the size and mounting setup to ensure a smooth, immersive viewing experience. We hope this video helps you in your DIY adventures. Happy projecting!